COSORI TurboBlaze turns on but won't heat? Try this first. If your COSORI TurboBlaze turns on but won't heat up, don't panic. Most of the time, it's not a broken coil. It's usually one of a few fixable setup issues. Here's what to check step by step. Step 1. Check that the basket is fully inserted. If the basket isn't pushed in all the way, the fryer won't activate heat, even if the screen lights up. Pull it out, then push it back in until it clicks firmly into place. If it feels loose, check for grease buildup around the tracks or silicone stoppers. Step 2. Make sure a cooking function is actually running. Lighting up the display doesn't start the heater. You need to tap a cooking mode like air fry or roast, then press start. If you only hit preheat and walk away, it'll shut off after the cycle without heating again. Step 3. Don't confuse fan-only modes with heat failure. The proof and dehydrate modes run without strong heat, so the unit may feel cold during operation. If you expected hot airflow, switch to a cooking mode instead and try again. Step 4. Unplug and let the unit reset for 10 minutes. If the fryer recently overheated or was running for a long time, it may have tripped internal protection. Unplug it fully and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before trying again. Step 5. Plug into a grounded wall outlet. No surge protector. Don't use extension cords or surge strips. These can block power to the heating coil even if the screen lights up. If in doubt, test another outlet. I use a plug-in tester that confirms voltage and grounding. I've linked it below. If the fryer still powers on but never heats in any mode, the heating coil or relay may be damaged. In that case, contact COSORI support directly using the link in the description. If this helped you fix the issue and get it heating again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you want to confirm your outlet is good before plugging back in, I've linked the smart tester I use. It's cheap, instant, and gives peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and heat it up!